Unjustified criticism is nothing more than a disguised compliment. That's a very famous quote from one of my heroes, Dale Carnegie. If somebody criticizes you and you think it's really not that fair, there's a good chance that they're envious of you. And if you're not getting criticized, then you're not successful enough. And the best way to deal with unjustified criticism is to just laugh at it. And I know that sounds kind of out there, but I love watching Jimmy Kimmel's mean tweets. If you ever get a chance, do a search on Jimmy Kimmel mean tweets, and he has celebrities and successful people reading out mean tweets. And some of them are so horrific that they're kind of funny. They're kind of funny if you have the right attitude, and perception becomes reality. So just remember that the next time that somebody criticizes you unfairly. You know, unjustified criticism is nothing more than a disguised compliment. And the more successful you become, the more people will criticize you. And if you're not being criticized, you're not successful enough. It's all up here. If this was helpful, and only if this was helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. And I will see you manana. Thank you.